Hey guys, welcome back to Circle7Land.com. My name is Scott, and today we are looking at our featured property of the week. Today we are looking at 40 acres in Concho, Arizona, just outside Concho, which is going to be just west of the St. John's, Arizona area. If you come to the homepage of our website, you're going to click on our Search Listings tab, and that's going to take you to all of our property listings here. And today we are looking at 40 acres in Concho, Arizona. And that's going to be right here. This property is offered at $89.99 and is a really great piece of land here in the Concho area. We are looking at 40 acres, $89.99, and as you can see from these pictures, if you haven't been here before, we have actual property photos. These are actually pictures of the property, and you can see here some great rolling terrain, some great rock formations here. This property has a lot of character. There are some great building sites as well. You can either build up high, or you could, to get those views, or if you're saying I'd rather have some privacy, you could build a little bit lower and use kind of this natural landscape as your privacy here. So again, you'll want to come to our site and take a look through all of these photos, and you're going to see different types of vegetation here, some washes here. There's a main wash down kind of close. Let me go back here alongside the road here. That would be great during monsoon season for water supply. But again, just a really pretty property. Again, different vegetation here and rolling hills. Really pretty piece of land here in Concho, 40 acres. As we do, we're going to take you to the property, show you how to get there in case you want to take a look. So as you scroll down our page, you're going to see a description. You're going to see what's close, and as you keep going down, you're going to find the property details. Right here, click here for direction. That's going to take us to the property, and Google Maps helps us out here, shows us where the property is. If I zoom way out, we're going to be in Apache County. And for those of you who have not joined us before, you're going to see Albuquerque over here, you're going to see Phoenix, Arizona down here, and you're going to find Apache County almost right halfway between, just south of I-40 here is Apache County, Arizona, and that's where our property is located. As I start to zoom in, you're going to see St. John's, and here's Concho. So to access this property, from St. John's, you're going to actually jump on 61 West here, heading out of town towards Concho. And you're going to come over to Concho and jump on 180A and head north. And as I continue zooming in, you're going to see 180A. And then right here, you're going to see an easement. And that's actually called the SRP Easement. And that is what's going to bring you into the property. As I zoom out here, you can see as you come over here, that's what's going to bring you to the property. And you can see the road kind of coming in here. And even from this view, you can kind of see the different terrain around the property. It's really a beautiful piece of land out here. It's very private, but again, you're not so far out that there aren't any neighbors. You've got a few neighbors out in this area. So a really pretty property. But if we jump back over to the pictures here on our site, again, different types of vegetation, rock formations. And one thing I did want to mention here, there is 4G cell service throughout, so you'll have cell phone service out here. Some of you may be looking to just do some camping or get away from the city for a little bit. This would be a great place to do that. We are offering this property at $89.99. That is an incredible property, incredible price for this property. You won't find 40 acres in this area for that price. And if you've done any research at all, you'll quickly find that this is a really good deal. And so 40 acres, West Concho, St. John's area, $89.99. If you are interested in this property, again, on our site, as you scroll down, you're going to find our ready to buy area here. Our discounted cash price is the $89.99. And so we do have other pricing options, and you'll want to grab your calculator and just kind of look up and kind of see what these which one of these options might be better for you if that's something you're looking at. But we do have those monthly installment pricing options available for you as well. So $89.99 discounted cash price, and then we've got the monthly installment pricing options. Guys, if you have any questions at all, please email us. We would love to talk to you and discuss more about how this property might suit you and what you're looking for and your land needs. We are here to help. We have lots of property options and would love to just visit with you and see how we can help. For now, that just about does it. We appreciate you hanging out with us today, and I hope to see you guys next week. Have a great weekend.